to everyone. I know some of you already heard my life story, the introduction of myself, a few hours, a few minutes ago in our marketing course. Um, I am basically a happy person with great ambitions. Few years from now, um, I want to have a job based on my chosen career or field. Uh, I want to provide things for my family. I am Camille Bernadette Tan, 17 years old, and the youngest of my my brother is a year older than me and taking up BSHRM. Our family business before was a bakery. My dad used to provide me things that will make me happy, but then um, he he had an heart attack and passed away last November 2006. However, my mother is like a best friend to me. We know we know every event that had taken place in our daily life. Um, we do a lot of things like shop around, eat out, or just walk around the mall. I am an alumna of Philippine Tongha Institute. I used to join several organizations when I am in high school that I know will make me a better person, and all the experience that I had, I will treasure it. Sorry. Thank you.
Yay!